Hey guys, are you want to buy best replacement batteries for cars? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best replacement batteries for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mighty Max Battery. The YTX7L-BS 12V6AH sealed lead acid (SLA) battery is a dependable power solution for a wide range of applications. Delivering 100 cold cranking amps (CCA), it ensures reliable starts even in challenging conditions. Its compact dimensions, 4.40 by 2.75 by 5.19 inches, with positive on right and negative on left polarity, make it easy to fit in most compatible vehicles and devices. Designed as a spill-proof SLA/AGM battery, it offers high discharge rates, wide operating temperature tolerance, and the ability to recover from deep discharge, providing consistent performance over time. Rechargeable and mountable in any position, it resists shocks and vibrations, making it ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, and other small vehicles. Its durability ensures long-lasting performance in both high and low temperatures. Backed by a full 1-year warranty, this battery delivers reliability, convenience, and peace of mind, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a compact, high-performance, and maintenance-free power source. Now our second product is BCI Group 48 car battery. This 70AH12V AGM automotive battery offers exceptional performance and reliability for modern vehicles. With dimensions of 10.98-inch LX 6.89W x 7.48H and tapered terminals, left negative, right positive, it's important to verify compatibility, but once installed, it delivers a powerful 760 cold cranking amps (CCA) for dependable starts in any condition. Its advanced AGM construction, featuring glass fiber mats and specialized separators, ensures superior heat and cold resistance, maintaining optimal performance across a wide operating range from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees F. Designed for long life, this battery provides up to twice the cycle life of traditional flooded batteries, with low self-discharge for sustained charge retention, even after long periods of inactivity. Enhanced safety features reduce the risk of acid leaks, spills, and corrosion, while its durable design supports vehicles with start-stop technology and high accessory demand. Overall, this battery combines power, longevity, and safety, making it an excellent choice for cars and SUVs. Our third product is Weize Platinum AGM battery. This 60AH12V AGM automotive battery is an excellent choice for modern vehicles, especially those with start-stop technology and high accessory demands. With dimensions of 9.52-inch LX 6.89W x 7.48H and tapered terminals, left negative, right positive, it's important to verify fitment before purchase to ensure seamless installation. Delivering 680 cold cranking amps (CCA) and a 100 RC rating, it provides reliable and powerful starts, even in extreme cold, while resisting internal corrosion from heat. Its 60 Ah capacity ensures consistent power delivery, faster recharging, and up to twice the cycle life of conventional batteries. The AGM design is leak-proof, non-spillable, and maintenance-free, offering enhanced vibration resistance and durability. Operating efficiently across a wide temperature range, -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, it supports vehicles requiring higher electrical loads without compromising performance. Overall, this battery combines superior reliability, long service life, and safety, making it ideal for cars, trucks, and SUVs with demanding start-stop applications. Now number 4, Uplus BCI Group 49 car battery. The Uplus Start-Stop AGM battery, BCI Group 49, H8/L5, is a high-performance, reliable solution for modern vehicles, measuring 13.90 by 6.89 by 7.48 inches with left negative and right positive terminals. Correct sizing, terminal placement, and CCA are crucial for compatibility, so measuring your existing battery is recommended before purchase. Designed for vehicles with start-stop systems and high electrical loads, including navigation, DVD systems, heated seats, and power doors, this battery excels in stop-and-go traffic, frequent short trips, or vehicles left and used for days. Featuring high-density negative paste and a silver calcium-stamped alloy, it offers 4 times the cycle life of standard batteries. Its calcium lead-positive grid maximizes conductivity, delivering 900 cca for reliable starts even in cold winter conditions. Safety is paramount, with 15x vibration resistance, vented caps to prevent acid leakage, and no free acid. Backed by local support in California and Georgia and a 3-year warranty, this battery combines durability, power, and peace of mind. And our last choice is Expert Power Standard 12V7AH rechargeable battery. The genuine Expert Power 12V7A sealed lead-acid batteries are a highly trusted and top-reviewed solution for a wide range of applications. Designed with F1 terminals, this 2-pack fits APC back UPS XSXS1000, BX1000, UPS systems seamlessly, with compact dimensions of 5.94-inch LX 2.56 WX 3.7H, making installation straightforward and reliable. These maintenance-free, valve-regulated batteries provide peace of mind with a long lifespan of 3 to 5 years under float or standby use. Charging is simple and efficient with a 12V2A smart charger, reaching full capacity in just 4 hours. Beyond UPS systems, they are versatile and suitable for alarms, automobiles, lighting systems, electronics, emergency equipment, medical devices, scooters, solar setups, and wheelchairs. Built for durability and consistent performance, these batteries ensure reliable power delivery when it matters most. Their compact design, long life, and maintenance-free operation make them an excellent choice for both professional and personal applications, offering dependable energy backup and extended service life. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.